Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn physics lab experiments. First, always prepare by reading your lab manual completely before entering the lab. This ensures you understand the experiment's purpose and procedures. Next, review the underlying physics principles. This foundational knowledge is crucial for interpreting results. Finally, identify all required equipment and safety measures, like wearing eye protection, to ensure a safe and efficient experimental session. This preparation saves valuable time and prevents common errors. During the experiment, it is vital to follow every step of the procedure precisely. Take meticulous notes, recording all measurements and observations directly into your lab notebook as they occur. For instance, if measuring voltage, record the exact reading, perhaps 2.50 volts. Pay close attention to any unexpected results or anomalies. These can often lead to deeper insights. Effective teamwork, with clearly defined roles for each member, also enhances efficiency and accuracy. Once data collection is complete, the next crucial step is analysis. Begin by organizing your raw data into clear tables or graphs, which helps visualize trends. For example, plotting current versus voltage might reveal a linear relationship. Then, perform all necessary calculations, including a comprehensive error analysis to quantify uncertainties, perhaps plus or minus 0.05 units. Interpret your findings by comparing them to your initial hypothesis, noting any discrepancies and their potential causes. The final stage involves reporting your findings and reflecting on the entire process. Construct a comprehensive lab report that clearly outlines your experimental methods, presents your data, and states your conclusions. Explicitly address whether your initial hypothesis was supported or refuted by your results. Reflect on the experiment, considering what you learned and how future iterations could be improved. Finally, actively seek feedback from your instructor. This is invaluable for refining your understanding and improving your scientific communication skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.